Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take BGS class for the students of class 6. Look dear students, here our today's topic is chapter 2 and creative question number D. Today we are going to discuss, okay? And from creative question number 1 is D noun, because we have already finished to read A, B and C noun from creative question number 1. But today we are going to finish number D, okay, from our YouTube class. And this is our lecture number 4 and SW number 4. Dear students, please follow the board. Here look, from creative question, in this chapter you will get one creative question, and here you will get these 4 questions. In our previous class we had finished number A, B and C. Okay, A, B and C noun creative questions we have already finished in our previous class. But today we are going to do number D, and here I have written these D nouns questions answer. Okay, so at first I am going to read this this stem once again. Okay, look here, number 1, scenario 1. Mithu's class teacher was showing a video in the class. There they watched that people were growing various kinds of food grains by utilizing river water. Having food sufficiency, they made world cars using their knowledge. They changed their condition building houses in a new way. Then scenario 2. Rafi along with all his villagers dug small drains to solve the problem of water logging and made connections with large drains. He started using dustbins at particular places to stop indiscriminate disposal of waste. Okay, so dear students, we have already finished this A, B and C noun creative question in our previous class. So we are going to do now D noun questions. Okay, these questions answer now we will learn. Now at first we have to read the question. Okay, look here, D noun. The influence of Indus civilization is noticed in the work of Rafi. Evaluate the statement. Please follow the board here. This question's answer. In the scenario, Rafi along with all his villagers were working together for the betterment of their society by making large drains and by stopping indiscriminate disposal of waste. By this work, they are making their society clean and doing a good work. Okay, in this work, Indus civilization is reflected in a great extent. In the earliest civilization in the Indian subcontinent is Indus civilization. This civilization was developed into 2700 BC and was the first urban civilization in the Indian subcontinent. In here, advanced planning were found: city roads, dustbins, road light and drainage system. Okay, so here what you have found? You have found that advanced planning were found like city roads, dustbins, road light and drainage system. The systems are well planned. In every house there were wells of water. Then look here, domestic waste water fell into large drains through small drains. All these systems are planned in that civilization, and in Rafi's work, the influence of Indus civilization is noticed by the process of solving water issues. So this statement is justified. So dear students, what we have found here? We have found here that in this scenario, Rafi along with all his villagers are working together for the betterment of their society, and by making large drains and by stopping indiscriminate disposal of waste. And by this work, they are making their society clean and doing a good work. Okay, and in this work, Indus civilization is reflected in a great extent. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. So you have to learn, you have to read this at your home properly, and see you again in our next class. Listen dear students, before look, please follow the board here. I am giving you SW creative question number D from chapter 2. You have to do as your SW and submit it on next Saturday. So dear students, see you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.